The graph of f of x is equal to a plus 1 a squared plus ax minus a is a parabola that opens downward for which values of a. Okay, now, what is a parabola that opens downward or upward? Well, we can tell if a parabola opens upward or downward by just looking into the coefficient of x squared. In this general equation, y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. When we look at the coefficient of our x squared, if a is less than 1, if the coefficient is less than 1, I mean less than 0, not 1, or meaning it's negative, then you have a parabola that opens what? Opens downward. Okay? So but if a is greater than 0, then you have an opens upward parabola. Okay? So we have that. Now, how about in this case? Well, the a is not really just an a, but this whole term. I mean, that is what we're referring to this case. So when we say that the parabola opens downward, we need to ensure that a plus 1, that coefficient of x squared must be less than 0. In that case, that simply means that a, subtract both sides by 1, you got a must be less than negative 1. That is telling us that for this parabola to open downward, I mean, this must what? The value of a must be less than negative 1.